Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, and today we're at Protaras, the main road. There's the main road here right in front of us that goes up to Napa, and we're going to go and visit the Andreotis Hotel and Apartments. This place has been undergoing massive refurbishment. They literally ripped out all the rooms, guys, and refurbished them at the front of the hotel. The so-called bungalows at the back, they haven't been touched. So here we are, there's the main restaurant, and all the tables and chairs are out. Place has been cleaned, getting ready for guests to arrive, and we'll go up the steps, shall we? Oh, looks like the pool's been refilled, guys, and all cleaned out. Doesn't it look superb? Look at that, lovely and blue. All the umbrellas have been put out, ready for all the guests. And there's the so-called bungalows at the back. Now they are two-storey buildings, guys, but we've called them bungalows because they're kind of separate, aren't they? And they do look lovely. Look out for the video, guys. We've done the little video of this place and the bungalows. They've got a beautiful garden at the back, amazing lawn, massive verandas on these bungalows. So let's go and have a look around, shall we? See what else is going on. Oh, I like the gardens. Looks like the gardeners have been in. They've tidied up, guys. Look at this, all lovely and tidy. Let's work our way around, shall we? Loads and loads of areas to relax, guys. Loads of sunbeds and umbrellas to choose from. So the main building, guys, we've got a little way to go, not far. Just got to do a little bit of painting here on the outside to finish off. Let's go and have a look, guys. We're waiting for the cleaners to turn up. So all the sockets are in, and the kitchens are in, and the brand new bathrooms are in. Wow, look at this. So guys, look at these beautiful bathrooms. Massive, amazing tiles on the walls. Loads of space. So there we are, guys. Great view of this outdoor area and those bungalows at the back. Right, so there we are. We've got wardrobe space as well. Loads of wardrobe space, guys. Wow. So just a little finishing off, and it's all finished. How about that, guys? So this is one of the last ones to do, guys. We're still waiting for some doors in this particular one-bedroom one. It's nearly finished. Oh, there's all the stuff, and of course all the lights are going to go in. And let's go into the one-bedroom. Wow, it's massive. Look at this, really big, guys. And we've got a sea view from this one. Look out there. So just waiting for the wardrobe doors to be put back, and all the fancy lights. And then we've got a massive bathroom. Look at this bathroom, guys. Enormous. Goes round the corner. Look at the size of that shower. Wow. Really luxurious. So there we are, guys, the refurbished Andreotis Hotel Apartments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.